Okay. What's going on, guys? I'm typically a positive person, but this product really fell short for me. I mean, there's a reason why I'm doing a video on it, and I'm disappointed by this product right here. This golf glove, Jordan golf glove. I don't know about some other people, but when it comes to things like even just a golf glove, those little things make a difference. But when it comes to like the branding, the reason why I got this, I'm a huge Jordan fan. I mean, I'm from Chicago. How could I not love Jordan? And when you see the Jordan Jumpman logo, you think Air Jordan. Air frickin' Jordan, right?
Jordan with 2 seconds to go, puts it up and scores at the buzzer! Michael Jordan has won it for...
When I'm able to like see this logo, or when you're wearing a logo, you wanna have pride with that, right? But I feel like this glove really came short for me. It's just, I've used it for like 2 rounds already. It's already overstretched. It's starting to rip already on the edge here. I paid maybe about $35 for this, you know, thinking I can have a good quality glove and I can get a number of rounds with them, but I just can't wear this. This glove just is uncomfortable. Like I said, there's already a tear right here. It's ripping apart, and it's cool. I mean, I think it looks cool. It's one of those things that look cool. It has the 23. So my friend Steve, he actually is really knowledgeable when it comes to brands. And one of the things he mentioned to me was that brands, it's not just a fancy logo. I mean, this is a pretty cool logo, right? It's not just a fancy cool logo, but brands have to be measurable. And part of the measurables are quality, has to live up to expectations, right? And I'm really surprised that this glove does not fall into expectations. Like I said, it's already like ripping apart on the edges by this nylon part. It's cool looking. When I first saw it, I was like, nice, I want to get a Jordan glove, but I don't know if I can use this anymore. Honestly, for $35, quite disappointing. I'd rather, if I was gonna get a quality golf glove, I would just go get a Titleist or whatever. Or even better, hey, go get yourself a Kirkland. I think these were like 35 bucks here, and you get a pack of 4. Hey, they may not be the best quality, but you get 4 at least, right? So anyways, that's my little rant and rave about the Jordan glove. If you want to get them, if you can spend 35 bucks and then get maybe 2 good rounds out of it and then spend another 35 bucks, awesome, go for it. If everyone loves the Jumpman logo, but this one kind of fell flat for me, unfortunately. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for checking this video out. Please subscribe and like, that would be cool. And have a good rest of your day. Talk to you guys later.